Amendment 1 because as a veteran, I serve this country to protect the rights and freedoms of all of its citizens.
I'm the mother of a gay son, and like every parent, I want my child to have all opportunities available to him.
I am a Christian minister, and I believe as people of faith, we are called to be compassionate, to love our neighbors, and to work for justice and mercy for all of God's children.
I am African American and believe the Constitution should be about expanding rights, not restricting them.
I am a gay man, and not only does this prohibit gay marriage, but it prevents even civil unions from ever being recognized.
I am a straight woman who wants to be able to visit my partner in the hospital and assist in making end-of-life decisions.
Amendment 1 defines marriage as the only domestic legal union to be recognized in North Carolina.
It does not protect marriage. It harms families, children, straight and gay couples alike.
We are your friends, your co-workers, your neighbors. Please join us in voting against Amendment 1 on May 8th, 2012.
Paid for by Loving Families Against Amendment 1.